Hi! In front of me is REALME C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Then click on this little icon at the bottom right corner and just get it. Then tap on the month above and pick a date by clicking on the chosen one, like that one. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Finally, you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour, add people, choose location by tapping on add location, selecting while using the app or only this time, typing proper location and clicking on one of those. You can also click on add notifications, select one of those options and tap on done. And even take notes. When you're ready, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by clicking on it and clicking on this pen icon over here. Then make your changes. For example, I want my event to last all day, and tap on save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event though, you can always do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. From here select delete and click on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!